Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's explore the term hoard. It's not just about accumulation. There's more to this word. Let's dive into the world of collecting and amassing. Meaning. So, to hoard means to accumulate and store a large quantity of something, often for future use, or out of a strong desire to possess. It can refer to both material possessions and abstract things like information or knowledge. Usage. Imagine someone hoarding treasures in a hidden cave, or the digital age equivalent of hoarding data on a computer. Examples. Think of a collector hoarding rare coins, or the behavior of hoarding information to gain a competitive advantage. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's heard, hoard. A term that carries the weight of accumulation and possession, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hoarding disorder? It's a mental health condition where individuals have difficulty parting with possessions, leading to excessive accumulation. Conclusion. If the idea of hoard resonates with your collecting instincts or storage habits, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more intriguing word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.